This shit of the Gullah Geechee Nation make up of all these your sea islands from Jacksonville, North Kakalaki to Jacksonville, Florida. Plenty of people never heard about the sea islands, but we did right here in the Atlantic Ocean. Oh, we islands make up of several things called the maritime forests. And some of the children might know about the Spartina or Spartina grass. And then the marsh. And oh, look what a hole upon it. The oyster. Hold we shoreline together. Yeah, but this your time with all this your thing called climate change. The maritime forest can't hold in the heat like it used to if people have cut them down. So we need on the children further down the creek shore. But stop making them harder with these your thing called the heat islands. Yeah, this should have where all the place urbanized. The cities, well, the concrete there, it trapped the heat inside and thing like that. Because you ain't got the natural environment for take the heat and hold them down. That heat start to spread all around. So it's hotter in the city than out here in the country. We're nice and rural, and Hunter can see the tree and red of us, yet it more. But we culture and who we be, as we be Gullah Geechee anointed people. So we fighting for keep things rural. We fighting against the climate changing so that we can enjoy the bright new day right here where we be. So Hunter chillin', yeah, ain't we?